Omnicell FlexLock Ready Follett Upright Refrigerators. Follett's Omnicell FlexLock mounting refrigerator contains the brackets and hardware to install an Omnicell FlexLock on a Follett upright refrigerator. Caution: this is a partial process that must be done in tandem with Omnicell FlexLock installation instructions. Locate 4 mounting points or rib nuts on the left side of the cabinet. These mounting points are indicated by the red rectangle. Please note, the 2 holes shown within the white rectangle on the door handle are not pre-drilled. They are created during installation by the 1-inch long drill point screws provided with the kit. These screws are part number 00917823. Fasten cabinet bracket using 4 number 10 32 by 1/2 inch long screws, number 009-02213. Ensure that the front face of the bracket is 1/16 inch from cabinet front face and parallel. It can be adjusted later. Fasten the yellow FlexLock fixture to the front of the cabinet bracket with 2 screws, number 01017979. Assemble the square door bolt bracket, spacer, and FlexLock bolt, but not the cover, using 4 screws, number 01017979. Place 1 cap lug in the bottom of bolt assembly to catch drill shavings. Insert the FlexLock bolt into the yellow fixture on the cabinet bracket and press in fully. Hold the bolt assembly firmly in place. Locate 2 1/2 inch holes going through the bolt assembly. Using 2 drill point screws, number 00146506, fasten the assembly to the door. It is best to use a magnetic tip driver bit or sleeve guide to hold the screw. Remove the cap plug, dispose of shavings, and reinsert cap plug. Remove the yellow fixture from the cabinet bracket and save the screws. Fasten the FlexLock base to cabinet bracket using 4 screws, number 01017979. Make final adjustments to cabinet bracket and lock base to ensure alignment of bolt and base. Install covers to FlexLock lock base and lock bolt using Omnicell supplied hardware. Place remaining cap plug in top of bolt assembly.